Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play with outside as a team playstyle in eFootball 2024. So build up from both sides of your winger and get the rewards after you play with this playstyle. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission so you can get ton of reward from it. Let's get started by tap your gameplay. Tap your profile a picture of your manager. Tap the play style and choose the out wide. Tap done. So if you're playing in out wide, make sure you have a speedy winger or speedy fullback here because you're build up or attacking from both sides of your winger here. So let's get back to the home page and tap the dream team. For example, let's tap the event. So you have to play this as your team play style, and you can get the reward from it. And also you can get a bonus reward from the objectives. Tap the career objectives and try to search the here play with outwide as team play style. So you can get 2000 GP for the first time and many more rewards here. After 100 playing as with or outright as a team playstyle, you can get 2000 GP. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.